Hello everyone. So far, we learned how to select, filter, sort, and clean our data. And today we are going to learn group by. Okay. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay. Our channel is very small. So if you support me in the future videos, I will teach you generative AI and agentic AI. Now let us come back to our session. Here Here today we are going to learn group by, right? Here the idea is very simple. Group by means it will group similar rows together, then perform calculations on each group. Again, I'm repeating, group by means it will group similar rows together, then perform calculations on each group. For example, we can group students by school and calculate the average grade for each school. Once observe here and let us see in the practical way. Yeah, as usually, first of all, we have to load our data set here. Shift enter. Yeah, it is already loaded, right? And the next one, we have to see our columns here. Shift enter. Here, these are our columns: school, sex, age, address, family size, etc. Okay. And the next one is important one, which is basic group by. Now let us see here. df dot group by school. Here we did not adding any aggregations. Like we did not calculating. First of all, let us run this. Sorry. Shift enter. Yeah. Here we got the output. Here it means this tells pandas group the rows according to the school column here, but we haven't calculated anything yet, right? So usually we combine group by with an aggregation function. Let us see in the next line here. What is the next line here? Average grade by school. Here we are adding, okay? df dot group by school and final grade dot mean. Here it means, see, let us break down this code in three parts. First, df dot group by. First, df dot group by school. It will group students by school, okay? And the next one is final grade. It will select the final grade column, okay? It will select the final grade column. And the next one is dot mean, means average. It will calculate the average for each group, okay? For the each group. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output here, right? And here, and the next one is the uh, count students in each school. What? Count students in each school. It means df dot group by school and final grade dot count. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, here we got the output here. What? Here we got the output here. Here the actual number here. Remember one thing. You will get some another different numbers. It is depends on the actual numbers depends on your CSV file only. Okay. And the next one is df dot group by school dot size. Same like above only. Just run it. Shift enter. We got the output here, right? And the next one is multiple aggregations. What? Multiple aggregations. Here df dot group by school final grade dot aggregation mean, mean, minimum, maximum, and count. Right? What? Once again, I'm repeating you. Here df dot group by school final grade dot aggregation mean, minimum, maximum, and count. Okay. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? See, this is also the actual number depends on our CSV file only. Okay. And the next one is group by gender. What? Group by gender. We can change the grouping column here, like df dot group by sex final grade dot mean. Here now we are asking here in the simple way. I will explain in the simple way. Here we are asking pandas, what is the average? What is the average final grade for the gender? Gender means male and female, right? Now let us see the output. Shift enter. We got the output, right? And next one is group by age. What group by age? Here df dot group by age final grade dot mean. Now here again we are asking pandas what is the average final grade for each age. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. We got the output, right? For 15, for 16, for 17. It will group all the ages here like 15, 16, 17. That's what the group by means. Okay. And the next one is group by multiple columns. What? Group by multiple columns. This is very useful in the projects. Okay. Here df dot group by school, sex, grade 3 means final grade dot mean. Here again we are asking pandas what is the average final grade for each school and gender combination. Okay. Again I'm repeating. Here we are asking the pandas what is the average and final grade for each school and gender combination. Okay. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah. Okay. Here final grade and these are the sex means female or male and here mean. Okay. And the next one is multiple columns. What? Multiple columns plus multiple statistics. Okay. Here now we can see several statistics for each column, right? Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? And the next one is group by with different aggregations. What? Group by with different aggregations. Here again df dot group by school dot aggregation like here above like above only. Age mean. Grade 3 means final grade and mean. Now let us run this. Shift enter. We got the output, right? Here this is powerful because different columns can have different calculations. Again I'm repeating, different columns have different calculations, right? Now let us see the next one here. Sorting group by results. What sorting group by results? Suppose we want schools with the highest average grade first. What? Highest average grade first. Now we are combining two concepts here. One is group by. What? One is group by and another one is mean and another one is sort. Okay. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. See, in the every lesson we are combining the previous previous sessions because for our revision purpose only. Okay. And in the next video we will discuss about aggregations. Okay. Aggregations. I hope you understand. Please subscribe the channel and support me. If you support me in the future sessions, definitely I will make simple videos on a generative AI and agentic AI like this only. Okay. Thank you.